How to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversions 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and spectacular day. I bring you back with yet another e-commerce and Shopify related tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can download Facebook Pixel on your Shopify and track your conversions on it. So we're going to be going through it all in great depth and detail, and I'm going to be discussing all the sign up process, all the features, and all the things, all the steps you need to do to basically install Facebook Pixel and everything. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you with. And if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to install Facebook Pixel and track your conversion. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to head on to Shopify. Now here we are on Shopify. We can see shopify.com. Try Shopify free and start a business or grow an existing one. If you don't know what Shopify is, then Shopify is one of the best, if not the best, e-commerce company out there, and it allows you to create a store for you and everything like that. So basically we're going to go right ahead into it, and we're going to discuss how to sign up and obviously add your Facebook Pixel to it. So to sign up, obviously you can see you're on their homepage where you can see the global commerce platform and you can see all the features that Shopify brings you. But what we're going to do is obviously we're going to get straight into it. Now, do know this, that if you don't have an account already, you're going to go on start free trial. And once you go on start free trial, it's going to ask you for a password or an email. And once you put that in, it's going to ask you to create a store. So once you have, added your email, your password, and you come to this interface where it asks you to create a store, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to create a store, and for that you're going to put in a store name. I'm going to add a random one, doesn't really matter. Once I add that, I'm going to click on create store, and once I click on create store, what it's going to do is it's going to load me up into the whole store interface. And before obviously taking me in, it's going to ask me a few multiple choice questions where basically you have to fill in these questions. Like, you don't have to, it's not obligatory, but I do recommend doing it because obviously according to those questions that you fulfill, it's going to optimize your account and your dashboard, and it's obviously going to attract that type of audience to you. So I just recommend that you do put the information in. It just makes things easier for you. So yeah, now that we're here it says tell us a little about yourself. Are you already selling? So please choose one. So I'm gonna go with I'm not selling products yet. What's your current revenue? You're gonna choose your current revenue. Then what industry will you be operating in? You can choose any one of these. I'm gonna go with the clothing, and once I've done that, I'm gonna click on next. Now over here you're gonna add your address, just so it's an address you can get paid on. Like, you can add your credit card and stuff like that too in the settings on Shopify, but let's say your credit card, you don't have a credit card or a bank account. All you need to do is you're gonna put in default business address where they're gonna maybe if they want to bill you, they're going to send a bill over there, or if they want to pay you for something, or if there is a bonus or anything, they're going to send the check or whatever to this address of yours. So what you're going to do is please do make sure to add a proper address, and once you've done that, you're going to click on enter my store. Now once you've clicked on enter my store, it's going to take you into it, and over here obviously you're going to see all these different things, and to get yourself familiarized, this is obviously your main homepage, your main dashboard interface, and over here you're going to see all these different things like setup guide, add your first product, add a custom domain, customized theme, stuff like that. You're going to see all these things over here, and in the left hand side you can see here's your home page, here is your orders page where you're going to get all the orders from your clients or whatever like that. Here is your products page where you're going to see all the products that are maybe on your page, your store or whatever. Here are your customers, customer related stuff like emails from your customers. You can get add customers over there. Here's your store or page analytics where you can obviously see your store page analytics. This is your marketing section for your page where you can see your campaigns and automations, and this is the discount section where you can manage different discounts and promotions. So basically the main things that we need to see are this page where this is like the online store page where we can optimize our online store accordingly. Now obviously once you have a store and you want to add Facebook Pixel, all you're going to need to do is you're going to come down here where it says add apps. You're going to click on add apps, and once you click on add apps, you're going to go down here where it says Shopify App Store, and you're going to click on it. Now once you click on Shopify App Store, you will be redirected to their main, obviously you're going to be redirected to their main app store. And once you're over here, you're going to come up here where it says search, and you're going to write Facebook, correct the spellings, Facebook, and then Facebook Pixel. Now, once you put in Facebook Pixel, obviously you're gonna get all these things for Facebook Pixel, and you can also get things for, let's say, TikTok Pixel. Everything will be over here. And now, as you can see, Facebook and Instagram, bring your products to people on Facebook and Instagram, and obviously you're gonna get all these different Facebook and Facebook Pixel. Also, if you write TikTok, you can also get TikTok and TikTok Pixel. So you can get all these things over here. So for the meanwhile, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go on Facebook, and here we are. And once we're here, obviously we're gonna find the Facebook and Instagram, and here we are. Here it says bring your products to people on Facebook and Instagram. Now it depends on whichever you want to use. You can use one pixel, which is the Facebook Pixel, where you can track multi-pixel Google Ads conversion and conversion APIs. There's this one, which is Facebook and Instagram shopping, where you can support Facebook shop, Instagram shopping, and Facebook ads, stuff like that. You also have the Flexify, which is the Facebook product feed, where you can extend your Facebook channel for enhanced product catalogs. But for the meanwhile, I'm just gonna go with this one pixel Facebook Pixel. And once I'm over here, all you're gonna need to do is you're gonna come here where it says add app, and once you click on add app, it's gonna take you to a website where it's gonna show you all these things, and it's gonna bring you here to your Shopify dashboard, and you're just gonna click on install app, and there you go, your one pixel has been added. You can also just download it directly by coming here on Facebook Pixel. You just write Facebook Pixel over here. Once you write that, you can see Meta Pixel, measure, optimize, and retarget ads, stuff like that. So you can just come here again to your app store. Let's say I'm gonna go on my app store once again. Now once you come to your app store, you can also write Meta Pixel if you want to, because obviously this is the main Facebook Pixel app. You can also choose one of these, but trust me, the one I've just told you, the one pixel, that works best. You can also go with this. This is Facebook and Instagram. This is like the Meta Pixel by itself. Also go with that. It's totally free to install, like no additional charges and stuff like that. It's like the Meta developers. You can also add this if you want to, and again, by adding it, just click on that, and you're going to install it to your main Shopify dashboard. Even in one pixel, you're going to choose the plan you want to get, and once you have, you can start tracking your conversions with the conversion API. And all you need to track it is just, you're going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to load up. Again, you're going to click start for free, and then you're just going to choose. So here's your Facebook. You're going to connect your Facebook, and from there on out, you can start tracking your conversions through the conversion API chart they have. I'm also going to show you the Facebook and Instagram Meta one. You're going to add sales channel, and once you do that, you're going to be redirected back to the Shopify page. And once you're here, look at this. It has properly opened, and you're just going to automate and connect your Facebook, and according to that, you're going to start tracking your conversions. So basically, that is how easy it is to basically add Facebook Pixel to your Shopify and track your conversions. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you, and if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.